Saundarya Group presents Saundarya Medical Mall at Rewa, Madhya Pradesh. Saundarya Medical Mall is located in the heart of Rewa city of Madhya Pradesh, which makes it easy to commute from any corner of the city. Apart from the ease of accessibility, it is surrounded by posh infrastructures like Saundarya Gold and Krishna Raj Kapoor Auditorium. Saundarya Medical Mall is one of its own kind in central India, which consists of 279 strategically placed shops and fully equipped 120-bedded multi-speciality hospital to deliver all your emergency needs. For your convenience and efficient traffic management, Saundarya Medical Mall consists of 3 main entrances that provide easy access to the medical mall. All these entrances are placed strategically, which connects the medical mall with the city's main roads directly. The main entrance is from the front road of the hospital. Hospital block is an enormous building with 5 floors, and each floor has its own and unique specialization, which provides you all the facilities and comfort under one roof. The ground floor comprises of pharmacy, doctor's chamber, reception and mediclaim area, with a spacious waiting lobby for visitors, casualty area, separate lift lobby for 2 stretcher lifts and a staircase. Mezzanine floor, which is an outpatients department consisting of 10 OPDs, and each OPD is for a doctor of different specialization, including a special arrangement for cardiac specialist OPD along with Eco TMT chamber. The first floor is a diagnostic center having advanced radiology facilities such as X-ray, MRI, CT scan and sonography, with up-to-date and high-end machinery which provides error-free results. The second floor is dedicated to the urology department. It comprises facilities such as uroflowmetry, cystoscopy, dialysis and endoscopy, with a cabin for nephrologist. The third floor is a cardiology department. We take immense pride in providing the best available facilities, which includes fully equipped cardiac ICU, cardiac OT, with equipment room, recovery room and consultation area. The fourth floor is for the admitted patients. With a spacious waiting lobby for visitors. The floor also has facilities for children like NICU, PICU for infants, and separate ICU for men and women. We also provide facilities of a private ward, twin sharing ward, and general ward for men and women separately, along with 4 major OTs and a pharmacy separately for our admitted patients. The facilities of this floor doesn't end here. It also contains doctor's lounge, recovery ward, sterilization rooms, equipment storage and consultation room. The 5th floor is the administrative department with cabin areas and dining area. It also has essential services for staff such as laundry, kitchen and store, and a retiring room where they can rest. All these facilities helps in keeping our staff ready in dealing with all sort of emergency situation. We work with full grit and determination for emergency situations. Where every second count, hospital area has come up with the private and emergency entrance for casualty and immediate entry for an ambulance. To fulfill all your healthcare requirements, we have brought all the modern amenities under one single roof. And we are determined to provide you all the ease and simplicity to make your experience seamless. Saundarya Medical Mall, redefining medical facilities.